Hey, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. Do you have a really low crawl space and you're concerned about properly insulating the crawl space? Maybe you've heard me give a video about how you're supposed to have a termite gap and then install the foam board, but do you even have enough room on that foundation wall to install foam board? I'm going to give you a tip on how to insulate that crawl space that's too low. Stay tuned. So this came up from Michael Evanson. He commented on one of our videos. The video was, do foundation walls needs to be insulated and the best products to use? And what Michael wrote was, I have a situation that I haven't seen addressed in any of your videos. Well, first of all, Michael, thank you for giving us a new topic to talk about. My perimeter foundation is only 9 inches tall, which means to maintain a 3-inch termite gap, I can use less than 6 inches of foam board. Is this a situation you would consider encapsulating without insulating the foundation and insulate the floor joists? So that is a great question, Michael. What I would do in this situation, it sounds like you got about 9 inches to work with, and I tell you, I've been in some pretty low crawl spaces, and trying to get yourself up against that foundation wall and hold that masonry gun, whether it's the Hilti or whatever that you're trying to use, the ram set, to drive that nail, or even a Tapcon screw and drill in that foundation wall, then you only got about 6 inches of insulation on the wall. It just doesn't seem like enough. So you're right. It's almost impossible to insulate that wall. It's probably pretty difficult even to get the vapor barrier installed. You're still going to have 6 inches of just plastic on the wall if you install the vapor barrier properly with your 3-inch termite gap. So yes, I would insulate the floor joist. But before you insulate the floor joist, I would air seal the floor joist. Okay, so that's one of the things a lot of people don't do when they install bat insulation, whether it's fiberglass or rock wool or whatever. I'm not talking about spray foaming all the floor joists and all that kind of stuff, because I don't know if you know how I feel about that, but I don't like it because water can get trapped behind there, and technically water can get trapped behind fiberglass, which is why I'm not a big fan of fiberglass or rock wool in the floor joist. But in your situation, I think that's really the only alternative you have. But go in there, if you have currently insulated it, take that insulation out and air seal all the major penetrations in the subfloor, plumbing, electrical, HVAC, then hang your fiberglass up against the subfloor. By the way, which way, if you use paper backed insulation, which way should the paper face? Let me know down below in the comment. My name is Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja. Hope you like us on Facebook and follow us on our YouTube channel. I hope you make it a happy and blessed day. See you later.